Start a new day for yourself when everyone is sleeping. Let go of the environment that prevents you from moving forward. A loser can tell many ways to win. Remove those things in front of you that are not useful for you. In order to reach the truth, one has to follow a lie. Spending to show people how much money you have is very foolish. Learn to face the realities of life by getting out of the illusions. Avoid things that you will have to apologize for later. A jealous person is most unhappy. Train your son when he is young and make him your friend when he grows up. The more intelligent a person is, the less he will speak. If you are taking help from a fool, you are doing yourself a disservice. Laughing without reason is rude. Lie is a disease, and truth is its cure. Ask your pocket what you should buy. Avoid the company of liars. If you can't do this, never believe them. Whoever trusts you will never ask you for an explanation. Sleep is the best solution to waking worries. Never beg for something you can get yourself. Spending on a little thing is better than begging someone. The best way to get revenge from an insulting person is to smile and ignore them. A wise man throws out the shoes that hurt him. If you are trying to fight a fool, no one is more foolish than you.